Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your story from a person in Facebook app. Just keep on watching and let's get started. First, open the Facebook application. Then right here, I will just add to my story. Then on the lower left corner, click privacy. Then here is your story privacy. Click hide story from. Then click the person you want to hide your story. Then go back and go back again. Then click share to story. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!